Welcome to Best Sellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the top-selling horns and accessories available on Amazon. We're about to explore the best of the best, so get ready to discover the must-have products that have captured the spotlight. Without further ado, let's jump right in and find out which horns and accessories have earned their place at the top. Are you tired of your car? Get ready to turn heads with our number 4 pick in the countdown of the top-selling horns and accessories. The 12V 150 decibels car air horn. This isn't just a horn, it's a revolution in vehicle alert systems. Crafted from high-quality chrome-plated zinc, this 18-inch single trumpet horn exudes both style and strength. The zinc material ensures durability and resistance to rust, while the all-copper coil compressor, enhanced by vacuum chrome plating, delivers a rapid response and a significantly extended service life. But let's talk about power. This horn boasts a staggering 150 decibels of sound. Imagine a horn so loud and clear it cuts through any noise, making your presence impossible to miss. Whether you're alerting other drivers, pedestrians, or even wildlife, this horn ensures your signal is heard and heeded, enhancing safety on every journey. Installation, it's a breeze. The kit comes with a relay wiring system and custom safety relays designed for simple, no-break connections. With detailed installation instructions and photo demonstrations included, setting up this horn is straightforward and hassle-free. Versatility is key with the 12V 150 decibels car air horn. It's engineered to fit any 12V vehicle, from cars, trucks, and SUVs to motorcycles, yachts, boats, and even buses. No matter your ride, this horn is a perfect fit, and we stand behind our product. Our commitment is to make your driving experience as enjoyable and secure as possible. Should you have any questions or issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Step up your alert game with the 12V 150 decibels car air horn. Powerful, clear, and versatile. Because on the road, nothing should go unheard. Elevate your driving confidence with the SYOAUTO car horn. Our number 3 pick in the countdown of the top-selling horns and accessories. This isn't just any horn. It's a powerful upgrade that ensures you're heard when it matters most. With a commanding 120 decibels, the SYOAUTO horn is a game-changer. It's significantly louder than standard stock horns, making sure that you command attention and get the space you need on the road. Whether you're navigating through busy traffic or alerting others in an emergency, this horn won't be ignored. Just a quick note, it's so powerful you might want to avoid using it near schools or hospitals. So why choose SYOAUTO? The answer lies in its superior design and materials. Featuring a high-fixed mounting bracket, a pure copper spiral coil, and a robust ABS engineering plastic shell, this horn is built to last. The super loud diaphragm ensures a powerful sound, while the scientific design maximizes both performance and longevity. Installation? It's a breeze. The SYOAUTO horn kit is polarity-free and designed for a quick setup. Simply ensure the horn is mounted with the mouth facing down to avoid mud and make sure there's ample space for the installation. It's universally compatible with all 12V vehicles, from cars and trucks to motorcycles, yachts, boats, off-road vehicles, and buses. Say goodbye to frequent replacements. With an upgraded waterproof material and a lifespan of over 200,000 soundings, this horn offers durability you can depend on. And for added peace of mind, it comes with a 12-month warranty. Make the smart choice with SYOAUTO car horn. Loud, reliable, and ready for any situation, because your safety and visibility on the road should always come first. Are you loving the countdown of the top-selling horns and accessories on Amazon? If you're finding it super loud and clear, don't be shy. Give us a honk of approval by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss a beat. Experience the power of precision with the FIAMM 72112 Freeway Blaster Low. Note horn. our number 2 choice in the countdown of top-selling horns and accessories. This isn't just a horn. It's a statement of strength and reliability on the road. The FIAMM AM80SX is engineered with an aluminum coil motor, housed in corrosion-resistant steel and fitted with an ABS plastic projector. This combination ensures not just durability, but also a performance that stands the test of time, no matter what the elements throw at it. Included in the package is everything you need for a seamless installation: a universal mounting bracket, jumper wire, nut, and female connectors. This comprehensive kit is designed to simplify your setup process, making it accessible whether you're working on a vehicle, UTV, ATV, or motorcycle. Every FIAMM horn undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets and exceeds SAE and OEM specifications, guaranteeing top-notch performance. With a maximum sound output of 133 decibels at just 4 inches, this horn commands attention with its deep, resonant, low note, louder, and more impactful than many others on the market. Built to endure, the FIAMM 72112 is proven to offer outstanding resistance to wear and tear, making it a dependable choice for anyone needing a reliable, high-performance horn. So if you're looking for a horn that delivers unparalleled sound and durability, the FIAMM 72112 Freeway Blaster is your go-to. Make sure your signal is heard and your presence is known with this exceptional horn. At number 1 in our countdown of top-selling horns and accessories, we present the 2 PCS 300 decibels super loud train horns. If you've ever wished for a horn that delivers sheer power and unbeatable clarity, your wish has been granted. Imagine this: a colossal 300 decibels of sound, more than any standard horn, ready to alert and command attention in any situation. With its innovative internal reflow design, this Snail horn doesn't just amplify sound. It delivers a piercing, crystal-clear warning that ensures you're heard above the noise, keeping you safe on the road. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this horn stands up to the heat and harsh conditions with unwavering reliability. The tungsten contacts used in the design not only enhance electrical conductivity, but also significantly extend the lifespan of the horn, making it a durable investment. Installation: it's a snap. The high woofer comes complete with brackets and screws, making setup straightforward. With just a 12V power source, you'll have a horn that not only fits but performs with exceptional clarity and volume. Versatility is key. This waterproof, powerful horn is universally compatible with cars, motorcycles, small yachts, trucks, go-karts, SUVs, buses, and any 12V vehicle. It's designed to enhance your driving experience no matter what you're driving. And should you encounter any issues, we've got you covered. Our commitment is to provide top-notch quality and support, ensuring you have a driving experience that's both enjoyable and hassle-free. Reach out to us anytime. We're here to support you. So for a horn that combines unparalleled loudness, durability, and ease of use, the 2 PCS 300 decibels super loud train horns is your ultimate choice. Make your presence known with unrivaled power and clarity on every drive. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling horns and accessories on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.